So do you think independent horror films are important?
Yeah. Especially mine. No,
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think all independent cinema is important because I think it's the fresh ideas that
Right? None of that Hollywood dreck.
Yes, well,
fuck you, Hollywood. Fuck you.
And they put that. No, not say that. No, I don't want to fuck Hollywood. Actually, we're in the Hollywood, but I just wanted to say if anybody's got some piece of shit they want me to direct,
hire him.
Cash,
Hire
I'm the guy. Here, I'll show you. My card says whore actually on it. It doesn't say director.
Big screen adaptation reboot Melrose Place. This guy.
Oh man, even I can
imagine that shit.
I can be the homeless kid in the park. Any new projects you're working on, and where can we go to find your work?
Well, like I said, if I haven't said it before, it's on Amazon and IndieFlix. It's cheaper on IndieFlix. So go to IndieFlix and get it. It looks like this. It's kind of a 3D effect we've got working here like that. And for new projects, my big project is trying to figure out how to make some money doing these films.
Some nice embroidered shoes you have.
Thank you. I
Stomp any crickets in them?
Just the one.
Just the one.
Was it Jimmy?
This one, look.
It's got red. It's got.
You didn't step in shit in those, did you?
No, it's like the red
I like
shoes.
talking about shit, but I don't like handling it.
That's
you can't make this crap up. Here, one more time, all together.
Don't handle shit. Don't handle shit. Don't handle shit. It'll give you diarrhea because you'll get the fucking streptococcus bacteria in your throat, and then you'll wanna suck off a goat.
Man, that's just like Katy Perry.
I'm better. I've been dressing like a weirdo for years. All you bitches, you just got money. If I had your budget, I would be better.
You be wearing meat?
I would be wearing meat. Oh my god. Once I was at a barbecue and they gave me ground beef, so I sat in a kiddie pool and rubbed ground beef all over myself and stuck hot dogs inside my snatch. This is for real. There's pictures somewhere. I've never seen them though. Exactly. All right, gentlemen. I want to thank you so much for being here. Feel free to come back anytime.
Thank you, gentlemen.
We'll handle some balls instead of shit. Some spears.
That's what it looked like.
And now it's time for you to plug your shit.
Again?
Plug your shit.
Oh, okay. What I wanted to say one more time in case you didn't see
handle shit.
It's called Shelter, and you're going to go to Amazon, and you're going to go to IndieFlix, or you can just go to sheltermovie.com, and there it is. And you too can get Shelter, and search around on the web and look for the reviews. You'll see them. You'll see how much actually people really do like the film.
We believe you.
It's kind of strange.
Yeah.